Here we have a fully Concourse restored 1970 Dodge Charger RT. It's a factory V-code car, 446 pack. It's finished out in Hemi orange with the blackouts on the hood. A couple options it has: the black vinyl top, AM radio. I talked to the owner of this car. He says it doesn't get driven on the street really at all. It's pretty much a show car, trailer here and there. He actually owns the Ford Torino right next to it, but it's just a clean car. I think he said he bought it at one of the auctions, Meekum or something like that. But really nice 440, 4-speed car, all numbers matching. The paintwork on this car was really, really nice. Didn't see any orange peel, anything like that. He also has tons of documentation, restoration photos in the binders, and it's a legit car. It's won multiple awards, different shows. I think it won an award at this show too, at Goodguys, 2018 in Puyallup.